Preamble of the 1987 Constitution. We, the sovereign Filipino people, seeking the help of Almighty God to construct a fair and compassionate society and establish a government that embodies our ideals and aspiration, promotes the common good, conserve and develops our heritage, and secure for ourselves and our prosperity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and a system of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace, hereby decree of promulgate this Constitution. That's all. Thank you. Article 1, National Territory. Article 2, Declaration of Principles and State Policies. Article 3, Bill of Rights. Article 4, Citizenship. Article 5, Suffrage. Article 6, Legislative Department. Article 7, Executive Department. Article 8, Judicial Department. Article 9, Constitutional Commission. Article 10, Local Government. Article 11, Accountability of Public Officer. Article 12, National Economy and Patrimony. Article 13, Social Justice and Human Rights. Article 14, Education, Science and Territory and Arts. Article 15, the Family. Article 16, General Provision. Article 17, Amendments, Revision. Article 18, Transitory Provision. That's all.